So today I'm gonna be cooking for you brown stew pork. So as you can see there, I'm just squeezing some lemon juice in some water to wash the pork. So now it's drained, now I'm ready to season. So I'm just gonna put some jerk seasoning in there. So I'll put 2 teaspoons of jerk seasoning. So there I've got some pimento seed. Again, some people call it allspice. And pimento grows in the Caribbean quite a lot. Some dry jerk seasoning added to that. Some black pepper. Again, just a small amount, don't want to overpower it. With some garlic, and grate this in. Now we've got there some red onions, thyme. Put the red onion in. That's a whole red onion, it's a small one. Some red and yellow peppers, add that in. So I'm just going to add some brown into it, not too much. Slice of Scotch bonnet pepper in. So now we're going to ready to rub that seasoning into our meat. Just going to put that in a container and just leave it, preferably overnight. By doing this again, the flavor will just come up so beautiful. And we'll put that in the fridge. So I add some oil, just about to cover the bottom. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna lightly brown them off. It's not frying, it's just going to lightly brown and just seal the flavor in. Just turning them over so it can be sealed on the other side as well. So now I've added all the seasoning that I used to season it up. And I'll just add some water to that. I'm just adding some plum tomatoes because that's what I had from my garden, so I just add those in, but you can add any tomato you like. Leave that to simmer. So now we're going to do the boiled food. If you like what you're seeing, please share, like and subscribe. So I'm squeezing some lemon in the water that I'm going to boil the food in. The reason for that is because I'm cooking the banana in there and it could change the color of the water. So I put the lime in and that will keep it nice and clean and it won't stain the yam. Now I'm going to do the dumplings. So add half a cup of flour, a quarter cup of cornmeal. It is plain flour. Just going to add some salt as well to that. Just a pinch of salt. I'm just going to mix that up. And I'm just going to make a dough. I'm breaking it in the desired size that I would like for the dumpling. So now I'm kneading it individually. I'm just going to put that in with the banana and the yam to boil. And I'm going to leave that now to cook for about 20 minutes. And there we go, that's that brown stew pork. Isn't that looking gorgeous? Look at that, I've served that. If you like what I've just showed you, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.